Hi all, this is Nandhini Ilangilli, and today we'll be discussing Bad Design Journal. We'll be looking at three examples, examining the challenges they present, and discussing potential solutions to improve user experiences. Let's start off with the Reddit app. The issue with the comment and replies thread in Reddit's mobile app is that it's challenging for users to follow discussions compared to platforms like Facebook and Quora. The problem lies in the difficulty of understanding which message people are responding to, with Reddit's reliance on intonation as the sole indicator. This design choice leads to lack of clarity and makes it harder for users to track and engage in conversations. Implementing additional visual cues or organizational elements may enhance the user experience and make comment threads more intuitive on the platform. With tracking comments on Reddit's mobile app relates to Gestalt grouping principle, especially the proximity principle. This principle suggests that things close together are seen as a group. In Reddit, comments use indentation to show their order, but if the visual cues like how much they are intended aren't clear, or if there's not enough space, it can be harder to figure out which comment is responding to which. Essentially, the design could be better at showing which comment belongs together in a conversation. Reddit's mobile app easier to use, I recommend making the design clearer. Strengthen visual cues like making intents more noticeable or using different colors. This will help users follow conversations better. Another helpful change would be grouping replies and only showing them if the user wants to see them, similar to how it's done in Facebook. These adjustments follow the idea that things close together are seen as group, making it more intuitive for users. Now let's move on to Instagram. Instagram's algorithmic timeline, often referred to as the non-chronological feed, employs a sophisticated algorithm to curate and display content to the users based on various factors such as user engagement history, interests, and relationships. While this approach is designed to enhance user experience by prioritizing content that the algorithm predicts, users will find most relevant and engaging. It has been a subject of criticism, particularly regarding the visibility of recent posts. Relevance to HCI principle. Since several users view the disrupted timeline negatively, it indicates a comprised user experience, and several Norman's design principles could be considered as potentially violated. Firstly, the visibility principle. Difficulty in seeing recent posts comprises the principle of visibility. Users could easily access expected content. Next is the feedback principle. A disrupted timeline may hinder continuous feedback, reducing user understanding of the result of their actions. Affordance. Disrupted timelines may affect the perceived affordance of the chronological feed, deviating from user expectations. Mappings. Challenges in understanding how user actions influence content order may compromise mapping clarity. Discoverability. Lack of user awareness about the algorithm's working is a compromise. Recommendation for improvement. Allow users to choose between a chronological and algorithmic timeline. Providing this toggle option empowers users to control their feed preference. Clearly communicate how the algorithm works and why certain posts are prioritized. Transparency builds user trust and helps manage user expectations. Refine the algorithm to better prioritize recent posts. Consider user feedback and engagement metrics to strike a balance between relevance and recency. Now let's move on to the design flaws in Instagram Reels. Progress bar. The absence of a visible indicator for fast forwarding in Instagram Reels can possess usability and user experience challenges. Without a visible indicator, user may not be aware of fast forwarding functionality or that swiping below the progress bar is the method to activate it. Discoverability is crucial for users to understand the available feature and interactions within the app. Relevance to HI principle. The absence of a visual indicator for fast forwarding in Instagram Shorts could be considered as a potential violation of Snyderman's 8 golden rules, specifically the rules related to feedback and user control. Offer informative feedback. Snyderman's rules emphasizes the importance of providing users with informative feedback. In this case, the absence of a visible indicator for fast forwarding means user may not receive clear feedback about available action or its extent. Users might not be aware that swiping below the progress bar is an option for fast forwarding. Keep users in control. Snyderman's principle stresses the importance of allowing users to maintain control over the system. Without a visible indicator or cue for fast forwarding, users may feel less in control of the interaction. Discovering the swiping action as a fast forward mechanism may not be intuitive for all users. Recommendation for improvement. Add a small icon or symbol on or near the progress bar to visually indicate that this is the interaction for fast forwarding. This icon serves as a consistent and clear signifier of the feature. In conclusion, we explored design flaws in various mobile applications that at times violate established principles such as Gestalt grouping principle, Snyderman's 8 golden rules, and Norman's design principles. Identifying and addressing these design flaws is crucial for delivering a positive user experience. Thank you.